In this video I will show you how to deal with controls when you want to modify them out of their original thread. And in order to show you the consequence of modifying a control outside of its original thread, I will do some experience. I will add a button and some, let's say, some controls, or even one control. It could be a text box. Now suppose that if I let's say I click the button 2 here, some text will be added to the text box. So let's populate the event handler click of the event click. I will add a background worker. And I will initialize it inside the page constructor. Now I will add an event handler to the do work event, and I will run async, which is a method. Okay, I will generate a stub for the event handler and try to modify the text box 1 inside the worker do work event handler, which runs outside of in a separate thread, let's say. So let's add some text here. I will add some thread sleep here. I will delay the execution. Thread sleep. I will threading thread sleep. Okay. I will make a simulation of a delay, of course, of 1 second. If I execute this code, now it works. But what if I click the button 2? So I will receive a non-valid operation exception, which is normal because the text box is modified out of this original thread. We can tweak this and work around in order to let this business logic run correctly by adding a delegate. And this is an old technique, in fact. I will show you a new one in a few moments. So let's add a delegate here. Private delegate will be void. I will call it delegate with capital letters, and it doesn't have any argument. Now I will move all of this code in a separate method. I will call it do some work, and it should be void and without any argument. It should correspond to the delegate signature. Now Inside the do work event handler, I will define a new instance of this delegate, and I will target the do some work method, and then I will invoke this delegate from this, I mean the form, which is form 1 in our case. This will refer to the form 1, so I will invoke that delegate from the invoke method. So now the code will run without any exception or error. So let's see this. As you can see, the code runs properly without any mistakes, without any generated exceptions.